Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change country in Google Play Store. Be warned that you can only change your Play country once every 12 months. So, if you decided to change it, ensure you are certain because you won't be able to switch back for another year. Additionally, you won't be able to use the Google Play balance from your previous country. So, you'll want to use those funds beforehand unless you plan to return there and cancel any subscriptions to apps you won't use. To change your Google Play country, first open the Google Play Store app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then, tap your profile icon at the top right and tap Settings. Next, tap on General and click Account and Device Preferences from the menu. Now, select the country where you want to add an account under Country and Profiles. Note, Google will show only countries related to your current IP address. You will have to actually be in a different country or use a VPN for Android. And select the available country and follow the on-screen instructions to add the payment method for the country. Know that your profile may take up to 48 hours to update. If you don't see the country and profiles option, it means that Google has decided that you can change your Play Store country. It's possible that you've changed it recently or are currently in a country where Google doesn't allow this change. If you're temporarily abroad and need an app available only in your home country, you might be able to find it by searching for it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.